Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you the Turmeric Skin Brightening Soap. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I've got my melt and pour soap over here. I'm using about 150 grams. I'll just put it in my ceramic bowl and melt it up in the microwave. I'll drop in a tablespoonful of vegetable glycerin. Afterwards, I will come in with about 2 tablespoonfuls of turmeric oil. If you don't know how to make turmeric oil, check out my description box. I have the link over there. I will come in with a pinch of my orange mica powder to give it some interesting color. Now I've got my silicone molds over here. I'll just pour the soap into the silicone molds. I'll go ahead and let this set for about 24 hours. So it's been after about 24 hours, and as you can see, it has set, it has hardened, and our soap is ready. I'll just get it out of the silicone mold. So you can use this as an everyday soap or a facial soap. This is very great for those with hyperpigmentation or those with acne scars. I must say I'm really loving the color. As you can see, it lathers very well, but it doesn't leave your skin dry. If you're somebody who does not like the commercial soaps, this comes in very handy because you know what you put in and you definitely know what is going onto your skin. After using this soap for about 7 days, you will see the natural glow on your skin. So this is it, guys, and I hope I did help you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.